This is Amar and this is the thought of the day video. As usual, I'm recording late, but thankfully we're recording videos today, and I did record videos yesterday. So we are on target, right? I think we are on target. So today's thought is on courage. Courage is one of my favorite subjects in life because most people don't have courage to follow their dreams. Most people don't have the courage to stand and confront others when they think what they think is right. Courage is the mother of all virtues. I say it all the time. Aristotle said it. Courage is the mother of all virtues. And sometimes some of these thoughts and subjects would repeat, but the thought will be different. The thoughts will not repeat. That is my target. So today's thought is on courage. Let's do the thought on courage. It's by Theodore Roosevelt, one of the presidents of US. I don't know which number, but he was one of the US presidents. And he said, far better it is to dare mighty things. Far better it is to dare mighty things, to win glorious triumphs. Far better it is to win mighty things, to win glorious triumphs, even though checkered by failure. Even though checkered by failure, than to take rank with those poor spirits who neither enjoy much nor suffer much. Than to take rank with those poor spirits who neither enjoy much nor suffer much, because they live in the grey twilight that knows not victory nor defeat. Wow. This is actually one of the most powerful quotes of this entire series. I've read this quote at multiple spaces. I just happen to find this quote right now to read. But this is one of the finest quotes ever said by anybody in the world. What this quote is essentially saying, that it is worthy to dare big things and achieve them, even if your journey has had a lot of suffering, because you actually dared something big, than to take rank with those poor spirits who never had the guts to follow their dreams, who neither enjoy much nor suffer much. They do not know the depths of happiness. They do not know the depths of pain, because they never dare to achieve their dreams. Only people who dare to achieve their dreams understand life well. Only people who dare to achieve their dreams understand life at a depth that people who never dare to achieve their dreams will never understand. Let's read this beautiful quote again. Far better it is to dare mighty things, to win glorious triumphs, even though checkered by failure, than to take rank with those poor spirits who neither enjoy nor suffer much, because they live in the grey twilight that knows not victory nor defeat. So have courage. Have courage to dare mighty things. Have courage to follow your dreams. Have courage to do things that your heart really craves for, because it takes courage to do that. It takes a lot of character to do that also, because on the journey you will most likely face a lot of failure, and that'll build your character. That'll build the kind of person you want to become, because you want to build the kind of person, you know the kind of person you want to become, because you see that person in your dreams. So have the courage to follow your dreams. Have the courage to follow your dreams. What a beautiful thought. Right? So that is the thought of the day. Have the courage to follow your dreams. That's Amar, and please subscribe to the channel in case you happen to watch this video and you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe to the channel. I don't usually say that. I'm not a very good YouTuber. I'm still learning to be a YouTuber. Mostly a stand-up comedian, and I perform. So I have another channel for that, but I'm not a YouTuber. With this channel, I'm trying to be a inspirational YouTuber, if one were to call it that. I'm trying to inspire people to follow their dreams and live a life that's worthy of living. So subscribe to the channel. Right? I'll try not to let you down, because my goal with this channel is to create a body of wisdom, so that anybody who comes to this channel finds something inspiring to keep on with life, find something inspiring to follow the dreams. That is my goal with this channel. Right? So if that's something you want to do subscribe. Alright, thank you.